Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, your one-stop place to improve English in a fun and easy way. In today's video, we're going to practice simple English questions and answers on everyday topics like hometown, hobbies, school, and daily life. These are common topics in English-speaking tests and conversations, so make sure you listen carefully and repeat after me. Speak with me, pause when needed, and try to give your own answers too. The more you practice, the better your English will get. Ready? Let's begin.
When is your birthday? My birthday is in October. I enjoy celebrating it. Do you celebrate your birthday every year? Yes, I celebrate it every year with my family. It is a happy day. How do you celebrate your birthday? I cut a cake and have dinner with friends. We take photos and enjoy. Do you like birthday gifts? Yes, I love receiving gifts. They make me feel special. What gift did you receive last year? I received a watch. I liked it a lot. Who gives you the best gifts? My parents give wonderful gifts. They know what I like. Do you like surprise parties? Yes, I enjoy surprises. They are exciting and fun. Do you decorate your home for birthdays? Yes, we put balloons and lights. It looks beautiful. What food do you eat on your birthday? We eat cake, snacks, and sweets. Everyone enjoys the food. What was your most memorable birthday? My 18th birthday was the best. I celebrated it with many friends.
Great job, everyone. You did amazing practice today. Remember, learning English is all about daily speaking. So, try answering these questions about your own life again after this video. You can even comment your answers below. I love reading them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more English practice videos every week. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.